Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you a little thing that I found out with the tub, the RZ or the RYZE. There we go, RYZE Tello. Pretty much something I came up with. Well, it's pretty much the thing I've just been playing around with. It's the throw and go. Pretty much shows you that you just take the Tello and throw it up, and on you go. But there's a certain way that you have to do it, so stay tuned because here's the video next. What's up? I'm gonna try to put the throw and go. Now make sure you got to do it 3 seconds. Now I'm gonna get it way out here just so that when you do it, you got to do it within like 3 seconds. Because I know on some videos they pretty much said that you got to do it within 3 seconds. Because if you do it within 5 seconds, it automatically shuts off, kind of like the way it is now. Now here we go. 5 seconds is the wrong way. See how it just fell out on the ground? Seconds is the right way. All right, here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's pretty much the right way and the wrong way to for the throw and go on the Tello. So if you liked what you've seen, please share and like it. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my page and hit that ding, that notification bell, so that you can see all the videos that's coming up, because I got more with the RYZE Tello. Till next time, Doug's Natives on out, and I will catch you later. See ya. Peace.